So guys, in this video we are going to watch the table formwork, that is the table shuttering, whichever is made to sustain the load of concrete slab, so that we can get a good mold and we can have the good type of slab. So here we can see is the arrangement of jacks, channels and ply. There are two channels which are placed one over the another, and on the topmost level there is the ply. The ply is made up from wood and its thickness is about 18 mm. This is the jack whichever is made of mild steel. These are the two channels which also are made up of mild steel. This type of formwork can sustain a huge load of concrete because it is made up from mild sections of iron. There are total two channels, one over the another. The thickness of one channel is about 125 mm and the another thickness is also about 125 mm. It depends on the manufacturing design. So in some types of tables the thickness of the ply is 18 mm. In some types of table it is 12 mm. In some types of companies the thickness of the channel varies from 125 mm to 150 mm. Here it is 125 mm. This is the arrangement which has been provided to attach the jacks of the mild sections to the channels, so that it heavy load can be taken and the load is transferred from the ply to the channels, from the channels to the jack, and from the jack to the ground. Okay, there are total two channels which we have seen. So here we can also note that the channels are binded by the nut bolt, so that it doesn't get here and there, that is, it doesn't get loose. There are total two channels. This is the jack which has been binded by the nut bolts to the channels. The load we get transferred. In this jack, this is the tripod chair, so that the base of the jack will not move here and there. And at the bottom level of the jack we have placed the tile of concrete, so that the load of the concrete from the jack will be transferred to the ground smoothly. It will get distributed instead of pointing to one point. This is the arrangement such that it will not move here and there. The advantage of this type of shuttering, table formwork, is that it can be mantled and dismantled very soon, very faster. Only we have to load it to the crane, so that crane will lift up it and will place to the another site wherever required, so that it can be placed from one place to another place frequently and whenever we want in less time. This can take a very huge load and it doesn't get loosened. And more advantage also is that it provides very plain surface in compared to another types of shutterings. There are the two channels we can see. What happens, just we have to, while leveling, we have to take our staff inverted to the channel, bottom channel, and then we can take the readings in our laser level, or even in sometimes auto level in rare cases. These verticals are the red in color, and these are from the company named Meva, which is leading company in table formwork. If we want to raise the height of the table, we will just tighten the jack. If we want to lower the height of the table, we will lose the jack, so that it will get lowered. See, here we can see the nut bolts which are used to bind up channel to channel. It is actually also attractive in appearing. Its advantage is its strength.